Welcome everyone to Principal Investigator Training Roles and Responsibilities. I'm Gary Freeman, and I've been in the pharmaceutical and device industry now for over 30 years. I've worked in the clinical research, regulatory, and quality assurance groups during this time period, so I have a lot in common with what your group are doing, and in fact began my clinical trials with infectious disease, so it really is kind of interesting how much similarity we do have today. I've worked with principal investigators during this time in many therapeutic indications, and also provide professional training for principal investigators, for coordinators, and for clinical research associates in the industry internationally, particularly with the GCP Guidelines. We want to make sure everyone working on a study is competent in their abilities because these studies are being used for global administrations at this time. A major focus in the FDA inspections, as well as other regulatory authorities across the world, have been recently in the principal investigator category concerning the commitment to personally conduct or supervise all activities on a clinical trial. And where do we find that? We find that on the 1572 form, just before the PI signs, that he or she will personally conduct or supervise all the activities on the study and will follow good clinical practices. So it's important that we know what those are. Also, the FDA inspections are showing issues with making sure that the personnel that are on the study, all the personnel, whether it be at the site level or at the sponsor level, are adequately informed and trained on the tasks to which he or she has been delegated. And in the site case, that would be reflected in the delegation of authority log, which is very often not completed very accurately.